wrinkles, sagging, dull skin tone. Do you feel your skin age every time you look in the mirror? What if I told you that you don't need to spend hundreds on dermatology treatments? There's a natural way to bring back youthful skin berries. Today, we'll uncover why blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are called edible skincare, and what real clinical studies reveal. Skin aging isn't just about getting older. Genetics and hormones play a role, but sun exposure, pollution, and lifestyle habits accelerate the process. That's why many people are now turning to non-invasive, natural methods. Among them, berries have gained massive attention as a food that can reverse skin age. So what makes berries so powerful? It's their antioxidants. Blueberries and blackberries are packed with anthocyanins that protect the skin from damage. They also help slow wrinkles by preserving collagen. Allergic acid in strawberries and pomegranates reduces UV-induced pigmentation and brightens skin. Resveratrol in grapes and certain berries soothes inflammation and improves skin tone. Plus, strawberries have more vitamin C than oranges, boosting collagen, while raspberries and blackberries provide vitamin E to support skin repair. But what do actual studies say? A blueberry extract called pterostyl reduced forehead wrinkles by 15% and crow's feet by 13% in just 4 weeks. In another trial, fermented bilberry improved skin elasticity by 12% and reduced wrinkle depth by 10%. A coffee berry cream increased firmness and reduced melanin levels, giving brighter, smoother skin. So while reversing skin age by 5 years is more of a catchy phrase, the science shows real improvements in wrinkles, elasticity, and tone. Dermatology treatments like lasers or Botox deliver fast, visible results, but they cost hundreds to thousands per session and often require downtime. On the other hand, a simple daily cup of berries is cheap, safe, and sustainable. No, it won't erase wrinkles overnight, but long-term, it's a powerful preventive and maintenance tool. So, how do you get the benefits? Eat about 1 cup of berries daily. Antioxidants are preserved not only in fresh berries, but also in frozen ones. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or just snack on them. But remember moderation. Too much fiber can upset digestion. Eating too many berries can upset your stomach. And if you take blood thinners, be careful because they can interact with vitamin K. People with diabetes should also watch portions. Think of it this way. Dermatology treatments are for quick fixes, but berries are for long-term skin health. Combine both wisely, and you can keep your skin youthful for years. Start today with just 1 cup of berries at your table.